We need your help. Would you make a $5 or more gift today? Your gift will support our scholarship fund. Donate to our education scholarship program because learning can't wait.
So during the 5 Saturdays program, I learned about business and creation management, how to construct a proper resume, build communication skills, and strengthen my proficiency in computer science.
It really is an experience like no other. You get to learn things about business, tech, job readiness, careers. You get to bond with peers and facilitators, play fun games, eat amazing food. I think it changed me for the better, and it'll change everyone who comes into it for the better. You will develop skills and traits that will leave you feeling like a new person by the end of the program.
I learned how to deal with different types of people, and during the business aspect, how to help with consumers, and how different personalities require different things, but also how it all follows a similar path if you do it correctly. I also learned about job readiness, how to be confident and how to hold myself.
Well, I'm really thankful for having Dr. Dave invite us again, and for you facilitators here, actually giving out your time for us and teaching us the way we should do our resume, how we should use the Kanban board wisely, how to take notes and meet other people. That was really incredible, and I will come back next year as a facilitator to teach for the next students.
5 Saturdays, I believe, help supplement with the technology, building resumes, interviewing, the interpersonal skills. So the research shows that our kids need to have those skills upon graduation beyond just completing the UC and CSU graduation requirements. They need those career skills. So we see 5 Saturdays as a program that will just help supplement what the students are getting in the Project Lead the Way program.
I feel happy when I hear that because I like to help people. Everyone at 5 Saturdays helped me a lot. I can make my own website now if I want. I will use my resume later to help me when I look for a job.
I learned how to do things like how to make a resume, which is a very important life skill that you're definitely going to need that they don't teach you in school, as well as did learn a little bit of coding, which I found was pretty cool.
I got a lot of experience. It was really fun. I learned so many new things. I learned, the programming, the coding, business ideas, and it really, actually, I would feel like it gave me confidence.
I came here and I learned a lot of new skills that I never would have thought I would want to learn, and I realized that being well-rounded with coding and communication skills, team building, writing a resume and so forth can really help me in the future, and I'm really glad that I joined this program.
We need your help. Would you make a $5 or more gift today? Your gift will support our scholarship fund. Donate to our education scholarship program because learning can't wait.